to story in school, at school, how to teach history at school, and totally different because if we as histories, what is it? What call? I forget. When we are historian, we should research and must know about all. But if we are teacher in history, sorry, I
So
in Indonesia, if we are teaching history, we must teach according to existing rule because history is hard.
what was the question,
manipulation, a lot of manipulation in history. So,
वैसे तो क्या पूछ लिया?
yeah, for example, one of our hero, maybe is let's yeah.
Why what's
You know Thomas Stamford Raffles?
No. Sorry, can you repeat?
Thomas Stamford Raffles.
Yeah, let me pronounce it one by one.
Raffles. Thomas Stamford Raffles.
What's that spelling?
A person. Thomas Stamford Raffles from UK. Raffles are from UK and he's colonized Indonesia. So in Indonesia, we call Raffles as inventors. But yeah, it's a point of colonialist.
Guys, let's change the topic. I feel like we have to change the topic. Really sorry to interrupt. Yeah.
She is saying something interesting.
Then you can meet personally. Sorry for now because there are so many people I really want to make them speak. Otherwise, there is no use of this voice room. Yeah. Welcome, stranger, and welcome, mouse. How to pronounce?
No, it's moose.
Moose. Oh, okay. Got it. So I know stranger is where she is from. I know her. So moose. Okay. So moose, where are you from in India?
I'm from
We know there is some sound coming from your side. Maybe you can mute yourself, your mic, and then you can use something like watch video. Yeah. Okay. Thank you. So this voice room is having such feature that if you watch something, videos or listen song, then you can hear the voice. Okay. So Moose, where are you from?
I'm from South. I'm from Karnataka.
Karnataka. Okay. Nice. And which language you are learning here?
I'm not learning any language, but I'm here to practice English.
Practice English. Brush up your language.
Yep.
Nice. Everybody is here doing the same. Stranger, you can unmute now. Or shall I send you an invitation to unmute your mic? So, guys, do you have any topic to talk? Because I don't want to make a boring voice room. So,
I can't think of any topic right now. Maybe you can suggest the topic and then we all can talk about it.
I always ask about travel. And have you ever traveled to other countries? Or if not, then do you have any like which place you would like to visit? That's what I ask usually.
I'm not a travel person. I'm not really interested in traveling.
Your voice is not audible clearly. Maybe you are on speaker and you are a little away from your phone. right?
Can you hear me now? Yep.
Okay. Yes, you're audible now.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm not a travel person, so I'm not really interested in traveling. I'm a kind of person who just wants to sleep at home. I don't want to come out of my comfort zone. I don't want to take the risk of traveling. I just want to sleep.
Okay.
That's my best start the day.
So, are you into IT?
Yeah.
Okay. So IT people usually they have
Yeah.
such.
We will become very lazy because we will be sitting for a very long hours every day. And I
Do you
just,
feel like
I don't
24 hours is very less?
yeah, I do.
Okay. I feel the same. IT people always think about something innovation. I want to do something for myself. Job is not going to work for me for long period. ठीक है थोड़ा पैसा इकट्ठा कर लिया. Like I mean.
Yeah, so true, very true. That's why I'm not really into traveling. So whatever the time I get, I just want to spend it for myself.
Yes, I usually am in front of my system all the time. Even right now, while I'm talking with you guys, my laptop, my monitor is on.
You working?
Hmm.
Oh, you're
Always.
working on the weekend.
Yes,
Oh
I've
my
been working on weekend since the last 5 months.
God.
Muskan, Tupu, stranger, don't be on mute. You can interrupt in between and ask something directly.
Oh,
What
well,
you
there
do
is
on
no
weekend, that you can have a question in your mind. You know? Otherwise, you will stay on mute all the time. Learn to interrupt in between. learn to create your own stage. Arey हाँ. Let me give you a mic, Muskan. I'm giving you a mic as a host and have a conversation with everybody, like as I'm doing.
I can do it this way only.
हाँ. This way only means.
Like without your mic.
अरे कहावत समझ में नहीं आती. It's okay. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Go ahead.
Uh, uh, a very common thing you guys can go with your hobbies.
Great.
Yeah.
So.
So
Yeah, Muskan. So what?
I asked you people to go with your hobbies one by
No,
one.
you already raised a question. Now you have to choose a person. Yeah, Tupu, can you tell me about your hobbies that you can say?
Let Muskan choose. Okay, Tupu. So hobbies are dependent on my mood. Yeah.
That are not hobbies then. Sorry.
No, it is. It is. It is. Like jab okay. Like when okay. Sorry, I am not in the mood to speak. Why?
Okay. It's okay if you are not in the mood to speak because I thought like everybody should get a chance to speak in voice room. So yeah.
No. It's okay. But अब मेरे को हिंदी बोलनी पड़ेगी बीच में.
Oh. Okay.
Veena, you're back. How about you go with your hobbies? Yeah.
My hobby is traveling.
Your voice is repeating from your side.
Sorry?
Your voice is repeating from your side.
Oh,
Whose side it is, Tupu?
my phone was dead.
Oh my god. Hello?
Yeah,
Hello? Check, check.
it's fine
Mic
now.
testing. It's fine. Yes, go ahead.
Yeah, my hobby is traveling, but I just travel in Indonesia.
Okay, that's nice.
Yeah. I wish I can. I wish I can travel in other state, but other country, but my English is not good. So yeah.
Veena, your voice is again repeating. Are you on? Are you on speaker?
There is nothing like speaker on this app.
Le. If somebody is not using earphones, then of course their phone will be on speaker.
Oh, I'm not using earphones.
Still, you are on speaker.
Oh, yeah, can take
Then,
it that way.
then you have a nice voice cancellation feature.
Oh,
Hmm.
I don't
Sometimes.
go with earbuds and all. They're itchy.
Mm-hmm.
I
Okay.
don't consider it, yeah.
Yes. Okay. Hi, stranger. Are you there? Stranger.
My signal is bad. It's fine, Bina. Try again when
I
it's
guess
good.
maybe you are audible, Veena. Your voice is clear, but just repeating your voice twice. Yes. It's okay. You can unmute yourself and speak, please, Veena.
Stranger, hi.
Hi, good evening everyone.
Very good evening.
I think we discuss about
Again,
sorry.
the voice was repeating again. Yeah,
Okay.
continue, stranger.
Right now it's okay.
Yes, it's fine.
Okay, thank you. I think who speak about hobby and interest. We discuss about it. It is a better.
Yes.
What do you for a living? You're like calm, thoughtful, smart person. Who are you asking, Mina?
She's asking me, are
Yeah.
she
I asked to number one.
okay? I'll answer your question. Let's stranger speak about her hobbies and interest first.
Yeah, but both are different.
Yeah, stranger.
If you don't do regularly any activities, that is not
Mm-hmm.
called hobby, right? That
Mm-hmm.
is not a
Mm-hmm.
hobby. Or if you do regularly any activity, that is called
Mm-hmm.
hobby. Or if you do according to your interest, right? if you
Mm-hmm.
if you get free time, then you want to watch movie. Or if you get free
Mm-hmm.
time, then if you do any kind of entertainment, that is interest,
Mm-hmm.
right? That's why
Okay.
who appears any interview, then
Your voice is breaking, stranger. Hello.
okay.
It's not much
Yes,
clear.
Muskan. Is it breaking to you as well?
Yes, it does.
Okay,
Oh,
stranger. I guess you are facing little bit of network issue. I guess. Thanks. Take some time. Okay, so I have a question about hobbies and interest. Okay, so the activity that we do regularly is kind of a hobby, right? But from childhood, I like to play keyboard and singing, music, and all those things. But because of my work, busy schedule, I couldn't able to give time to my music. Okay, so so that doesn't come into my hobby then, because that the thing that I like from childhood, like keyboard, singing, and other musical instrument, I liked from my childhood, and I really liked a lot. I mean, I feel like have some instinct, like the quality that comes from during your like from comes from your mother or from born when you born kind of. So that activity